The average American will produce about 6 pounds of trash per day, which is over 2,000 pounds of waste per person per year. Annually, the University of Florida produces 42 million pounds of waste. UF has set the goal of diverting our waste from the landfill to reach 90% waste reduction. Some ways we are accomplishing this are through our Zero Waste initiative during football games, our Greek life transitioning from disposable to reusable dinnerware, and the implementation of our paper towel composting program on campus. The best way that you can help us to attain our goal is to focus on the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The Environmental Protection Agency says that the most effective way to reduce waste is to not create it in the first place. As a conscious consumer, you can focus on reducing waste by buying and using sustainable products like Tupperware instead of plastic bags. The second most effective form is by reusing products. By reusing materials that you or your community members may already have, you're reducing the need to harvest new raw materials. A good way to go about this is to purchase secondhand products. By using apps such as LetGo, OfferUp, and Depop, or by visiting your local thrift stores, you, the conscious consumer, can purchase products that people no longer need and give these products life again. Recycling isn't the be-all and end-all, but it is an important component of reducing our waste. In Gainesville and Alachua County, we use a dual-stream recycling system, meaning that fiber components such as paper and cardboard are recycled separately from glass, plastic containers, and cans. The collection bins look different depending on where you're located. If you live in a dorm, you will be provided with a small blue recycling bin. Be sure to put all your recyclables in this bin, and when you're ready to take them down to the common area, make sure to separate them appropriately. Apartments in Gainesville have curbside pickup, so you can organize your recyclables to your liking and then place them in the appropriate curbside bin when you go take out your trash and soon-to-be recycled items. Remember not to bag your recyclables. On campus, there's a misconception that we can recycle anything with a recycling symbol on it. This does not hold true. What you can recycle actually differs by county. So, what does not belong in the bottles and cans bins? Thin plastic clamshell packaging, often used for berries and vegetables, plastic grocery bags, which can be recycled at nearby grocery stores, motor oil containers, and items that contain both metal and plastic. With products that once held food or drinks, make sure to clean them out first. If you recycle products that are contaminated with food, you run the risk of contaminating the recyclables surrounding it, which then prevents all of it from being recycled. Much like the bottles and cans bins, contamination can also spoil an entire load of recyclable paper in the paper-only bins. To remain a valuable material, recycled paper cannot be coated or contaminated with plastics, waxes, or oils. This means in the paper bin, you basically can throw away any cardboard and paper products except for what is contaminated. Anything attached to paper and cardboard, such as food, grease, paint, or mold, contaminates the product so that it can't be recycled. For example, dirty napkins and paper towels, pet food bags, and used pizza boxes are not accepted. Once you dispose of these products, your recycled paper and cardboard are baled, sent to mills, and turned to pulp to manufacture new paper products. These recycled products often say post-consumer on their labels. Although recycling properly in our bins is important, it does not stop there. At UF, we are lucky to have recycling initiatives in place all throughout campus that go far beyond our standard waste bins. This Gators Beat Waste Station was created to increase student knowledge on how to recycle properly. From putting things in the right bins to taking a second to remove the cap of your bottle and empty its liquid content, each step in the process is crucial. The Gator Career Closet allows us to recycle clothes on campus. They take in used professional clothes that are in good condition and loan them to students who are in need of professional clothing items. This is a great way to recycle clothes that you no longer use. UF Surplus is located on Radio Road, next to the Counseling and Wellness Center. It reuses, refurbishes, or recycles 97% of all surplus property that comes from UF's departments or organizations. UF Surplus is open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m., making usually expensive items such as electronics, furniture, and office equipment widely available to the public. At the University of Florida, becoming a conscious consumer, reusing products, and recycling properly can make you an ambassador of sustainability. Together, we can help reach our goal of 90% waste reduction. Because at the University of Florida, we strive for greatness. Go Gators, go greater, and go greener.